What you need to know about Guardian Debt Relief. Hi, this is Consumer Protection Attorney Bill Clanton. I've helped hundreds of consumers deal with inaccurate credit reporting, debt collection harassment, and other consumer-related matters. In this video, I'm talking about Guardian Debt Relief. Guardian Debt Relief is a debt settlement or debt consolidation, debt management business. They are based in New York, and they've been around since 2012. My research shows they've been sued almost 70 times under the Fair Credit Reporting Act, and there's a few complaints with the CFPB about them. Now, there are two laws for, there's one federal law and there's a state law that I'd like to talk about that apply to Guardian. The Texas law, 394 of the Texas Finance Code, says that Guardian cannot buy your debt, they cannot offer you credit, and they cannot make you waive your right to a jury trial in their agreement with you. Now, this is important, and there's a whole lot more that they can't do. I've got a top 10 video that you can find that explains everything these debt settlement companies cannot do. And take a look at that for more detail about what they can't do. Now, the Fair Credit Reporting Act is the federal law that applies to Guardian Debt Relief. Now, Guardian Debt Relief and all these debt settlement companies, I believe that they pulled their information about marketing in violation of the law. Now, the Fair Credit Reporting Act says that companies, and you'll mostly see this with credit card companies, that they can do a promotional inquiry. They can ask Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion for consumers who have defaulted on 3 or 4 obligations, that have debt in the range of $20,000 to $40,000, that live in Houston, Dallas, El Paso, San Antonio. And then once the credit card companies, well, the credit card companies aren't looking for those things, but the debt management companies are. The credit card companies will send you an offer of credit. The debt management companies will send you a letter saying, hey, you've got so much debt outstanding and you've got so many accounts that are bad. Why don't you sign up with us? And they know how to write these letters, and they know which people will sign up. And they send out these letters, and and they're using your information impermissibly, because the Fair Credit Reporting Act says it has to be for a permissible purpose. A firm offer of credit is a permissible purpose. Guardian Debt Relief is not making you a firm offer of credit, because under 394 of the Texas Finance Code, they cannot offer you credit. Now, if you have signed up with Guardian Debt Relief, or you've gotten a letter from them, give us a call. We want to make sure that everything they're doing is on the up and up. If Guardian Debt Relief has information about you that is too specific, then likely they have pulled your credit information impermissibly. And we can pursue them for violating the Fair Credit Reporting Act and the Texas Finance Code. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are signed up with a company like Guardian, you're probably in some financial trouble. We'd like to help you out, see what we can do to help you out, and find violations of the law by debt collectors, debt settlement companies, credit reporting agencies, and other folks like that. Thanks for watching this video. We're in your corner. Please subscribe to this channel. Thank you.